Welcome back viewers in the course. So in previous video we created this header, but this button is not looking good because we have added this height here, which does not apply on this on this button. So we'll remove the height, and instead of that we will add padding 10 pixel, and we will make the size a little bit smaller. The width of this button will be 100, will have 100 width, 100 pixel. So just refresh the page. Now you can see the beautifully looking button with the login. So the user can log in here if they are already registered here. But the next thing is to just copy this little bit code from here, the CSS, and just paste it below there and say button hover. Means if someone hovers the mouse on the button, so we'll simply say change the background color to blue and the color of the text to white. Simple and nice. Just refresh the save the file, refresh the page, and you can see that is same like this, nothing is changed. So now the next thing is to add the picture and the form here. So just go back to this index.php file, and here the header refs ends. So after that we'll start the next thing, which is a div id tag is equal to content. We'll create a content ID here, and inside that content ID we will have two div tags. The one will have a form and the second will have that picture. That's simple, nice. So first of all, let me add the picture inside this div. Say img source is equal to, let me check, its name is image.jpg. sorry, image. Inside the images folder, the image name is image.png. the extension is png. That's it. Control S to save. Come here, refresh the page, and you can see it here, right there. So what we need to do is actually to go and create another ID, which will be dash content, and the width of this will also be 1000 pixels. And for the moment, just for testing purpose, I will add a height. Later on we don't need, but at the moment I will just add a height of 600 pixel basically. Margin of this will be also 0 auto. Now just refresh it, and you can see this is now here. The reason I don't know why, the reason is simply like, with this 100 pixel it should be 1000 pixel. Control S to save again, refresh, and now it's okay, fine here. The next thing is to add the this form right over here. So we'll simply add some styles to this image. Right there in the image tag, style is equal to float left, as we did for previous other things as well, and margin right will be 40 pixel. A little bit styling, just refresh the page, and you can see that is there. So let's create something more. Here in the second div, create a form, again a form. Action will be something which we will later decide. Method will be equal to post, and that's it. Form close. Now inside the form tag we'll add a table, and table will have no border basically. Table close, and inside the table we need to actually add tr tags. So inside the tr tags we can do something like inside the tr we need to add some td tags, 2 tds per tr basically. This is all the simple, these are all the simple HTML tags. Form action, these are attributes of the form. Here we add the page where this form we will submit and the page will be processed there. So we'll add that later, and the post is the method of the content that is going in. This is now the table inside the form for for simplifying the form. So first we will say name, okay, and here we will add align is equal to right, align is equal to right. So the name of the person will be here. In the next we will add an input tag, type is equal to text, name is equal to u underscore name, and placeholder will be is equal to enter your name, and that's it. This is the input tag inside the td. Union placeholder is everything is fine. Okay, just copy this whole from the tr, add it again, then again, then again, copy paste. I'm just copy pasting them all, and change from the name, change this name to password, this to u underscore pass, the text to enter your password, the next one to email, enter your email. This is the simple HTML text. Input type text, name was upass uname, and then email. So using these names, we give here in the input tag, we can take the data from this name, from this input we can take data by targeting this name specifically inside the form. So this is very necessary, you give appropriate name to all of things. Now country, so the person will have to write their country, but for the country we will use select box, select, and its name will be u underscore country, and inside the select we will add more tags, option tags. So in the first one we will say select a country which will be generic and static, and the next we will add some countries like Afghanistan, India, Pakistan, United States, and United Arab Emirates. That's it. And we can do the same for the gender. Copy this whole and we'll put it here in the TD, and we will say select gender, and change the name as to gender, male, female. That's it. And the last one will be type will be date, and we'll say you birthday. It's nice. We'll say select your birthday, or we don't need to place this thing here. This will be say birthday, so the user birthday. Now in the last, one more tr we need here in the last, and that we don't need the first td here inside the tr. We only need one input, and which is submit basically, or we can say a button. You don't need this input, just say button. Name will be is equal to sign underscore up, and say sign up button close. That's it, simple and nice. So just come here, refresh the page, and you can see this is the simple nice form. We have to make it more better by using some CSS, but basically what we have done, we simply added the image and the font tag. The method is post, the action will later on add, and after that the table, and the table and the tr, and inside the tr we have two td tags. In the first td we have just given the name, password, email, country, gender, and birthday, because this just to identify the person. I mean, the person can add the appropriate data there, and some select and option tags for selecting the country, and some other things like gender and birthday, or birthday will be automatically selected when someone will click here. So you can see the HTML5, this is the HTML5 attribute, the date one, so it will automatically pick up the date from the calendar. Now in the next video we need to actually style up this nice form. Stay tuned.